Welcome back, everybody, to SEBA Math Lab, and today we're learning about BEDMAS, the masterclass. Why the order of operations matters in real-life examples. It's SEBA Math Lab, and we're back with another video, another day. Like and subscribe, and get with me. What is BEDMAS? Well, BEDMAS is the order of operations, how you do your operations, and what goes first, what goes second. Or else if you don't do it like this, then most of the time you'll get the answer wrong. So first we have to do is brackets for B. Brackets or parentheses, they look like this. Numbers that you put in the middle of them, like 6 plus 3, these always go first, alright? E for exponents. Exponents basically means the number that goes to the right. So if we do 6 and 2, what would that become? Well, 6 and 2 just basically means 6 times 6. It's just multiplying itself repeated times, as it says by the 2. We could do 6 and 3, 6 times 6 times 6. Alright, guys, you understand? For D, division. Division. Well, that goes right after you do exponents and brackets. So if you have a question that has brackets, exponents, and division, we all know brackets goes first, right? Well, multiplication and addition are a different case. Division and multiplication are the same thing. You could do it any way you want, but most of the time people put division first because it's a better way. And for addition and subtraction, same thing as multiplication and division. But this is the order, alright? Brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. That's the order that you have to do it, alright? That's what it basically means. Why does the order matter? Changing the order changes the answer. Like if you do 2 plus 3 times 4 equals 14 using BEDMAS, but without BEDMAS, many people might incorrectly get 20. Well, many people might go 2 plus 3 times 4 equals 20. Well, they say this because they do 2 plus 3 first. But when we did BEDMAS and we showed you the order, multiplication comes before that. So we have to do 3 times 4 first, which equals 12. And then we plus that by 2, which equals to 14. But many people might go 2 plus 3, 5, then 5 times 4, which is incorrect and completely wrong. Real life example, we're going shopping. So if we have 3 shirts and we multiply it by $20 each and we subtract the $10 coupon that we have, then how much will we get? We'll end up paying $50. Well, some people might go 3 times 20 minus 10, completely different. Because as I said, multiplication always goes before, right? Multiplication always goes before subtraction. So if people go 20 minus 10, which equals 10, then multiply it by 3, then now equal to 30. Completely different answers, right? But this one's right and the other one's wrong. Here's some common mistakes. Ignoring the brackets. When people do that, like 6 plus 6, and then multiply 3 minus 4, what this basically means is 6 plus 6, what's that? 12. But then some people just ignore it entirely and just go 3 minus 4. Well, what does that equal? Well, we don't know because we first have to do 6 plus 6, 12. Then we do 12 plus 3, 15. And then we do 15 minus 4. What does that equal? That equals 11. Alright? So we understand, right? And then people adding before multiplying. That's completely wrong. As I said, it does not come before, but it comes after. And then forgetting the exponents. Forgetting the exponents could be a common mistake because they just show up right at the top. Because who knows that 3 is 6 times 6 times 6? Some people don't know. Well, that's what exponents basically mean, alright? Here's some quick practice. 6 plus 2 times 5, 10 minus 2 in the brackets times 3. And 100 divided by 5 plus 7. Some simple practice. Finish it and pause the video. You got this. Good job. I know you got these answers. 6 plus 2 times 5 equals 16. Well, here let me explain how you get this one. Well, first we do 2 times 5 because multiplication comes before. And then that equals 10. Then finally, we plus it by 6 or add it by 6, which equals 16. And for this one, 10 minus 2 times 3 equals 24. Well, this just basically means 8 times 3. What does that equal to? 24. Because we do 10 minus 2 first, not times 3 for no reason, all right? And then 100 divided by 5, that equals to 20. Then we add that by 7. What does that equal? That equals 27. Good job. Give you guys a nice pat on the back. Conclusion. BEDMAS keeps math accurate and organized, used in finance, science, coding, and daily life. If you like this, we can continue to discover more and more stuff like this. Please like and subscribe for more math mysteries. SEBA Math Lab here, and we're out.